Hello, Mr. Ed here. Today is May 7th, 2016, and today I am finally back out at the Beehive House here in Covington. And what we're looking at today is the last and final hive that I have to pull out of this building. This will be the fourth one that I pulled out of here. But this building was such a good one that this is also where I caught 3 swarms this year. There's the stand for one of them right there. The stand for the other one right there. And then behind me is the stand of the other one. So I pulled these swarms out of here about 2 weeks ago. They're back up in the abbey right now. And today I've come back to get these girls. So I'm going to first start off. I'm going to start vacuuming before I do any of the cutting out to expose the comb, because these bees are just so all over that comb, and I don't really know how far back that comb goes up in there. It actually goes on both sides of the support beam right there. So I'm going to vacuum first, and then after that then I'll start doing the cutout. So I'm going to get on my sissy suit and start vacuuming. And with the grace of God, these girls, along with the swarm sisters, will become Abbey bee honeys. Time to get busy. Everything's out the truck. Everything's set up all around. And there's our patient. Now I can at least see the comb, and I think really the majority of that comb is really on the other side of that beam, but I'm going to cut out this side first, expose this side, and then we'll go to the other side. I'm going to light the smoker on this one now, see if I can push them, calm them down a little, push them back inside. I've got it exposed all the way on this side of the beam. It just goes a few more inches up inside of there. So now, time to work on this side. Here I go. Got to the end of the other side of the comb, and thankfully, it was not that much further back. So, here we go, the whole comb. Long and thin, long and thin. So here comes all the vacuuming time now, and then I'll start pulling out some of that comb and looking for our sweetheart queen. Well guys, you are not going to believe this. Look at this. I am down to the wire. I have been cutting out and vacuum cleaning for 3 hours. I was down to the last section of comb and look who was on it. You know she wanted to come to Mr. Ed. Well, these girls have given me a run for my money. Probably got about another half an hour of cleaning up and then I'm up to the Abbey. So let me finish this job up. Boy, is that a pretty queen or what? Oh yeah, thank you Jesus. Whew, whew, whew. Alright, back to work. Good news, that job is over. Man, you never think, but being such a skinny thing, it would be so hard. Lots and lots of honey, once again. And here's all our bees that we vacuumed. And oh, what's that right there? Could that be the queen? They got all the robin bees going on. Lots of action. But I still got to go up to the Abbey and take care of these girls. So I'm going to sign off. It was another good day. Always a good day when you get the queen. So thanks for watching. And thank you all my new subscribers. Man, that's just such a wonderful thing to see. New subscriber. I really appreciate that when y'all do that. Keep on watching. And I'll be making more. God bless. Mr. Ed. I'm up to the Abbey.